In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install iCloud application on Windows computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to click this search box, or we can click the Windows icon, and here we need to type Microsoft Store, and you see Microsoft Store is there. We just need to click here to open Microsoft Store, and once it is open, you'll find a search box is there. We just need to click here and start typing iCloud, and once we type iCloud and hit enter key, we'll see this type of page. From here we'll see iCloud application is there. We just need to click here and it will be open like this. Here it is mentioning that it's a free application, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so to install it, basically what we need to do, we just need to press this get button, and I'm going to press this get button, and very shortly you will see it is going to install. Once the installation is successful, then this iCloud application can be accessed directly from this application or Windows menu. I'm going to close this window, and now I'm going to click this start menu, and here inside this search box we just need to type iCloud, and once we start typing iCloud, we'll see iCloud application is there. We just need to click here to open the application, and very shortly you will see it is bringing this screen. So before going to logging, actually Windows will give us this type of warning. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We have to press yes. Then once we press yes, then it is giving us this option. Now here it is asking sign in to iCloud with your Apple account, and now you can log in by using your email and password or phone number and password, and then you can sign in your iCloud account from your Windows computer. Once you logged in successful, then you will see this type of user interface where you can access all of these applications like photos, drive, and so many things. And that's it. In this way we can easily install iCloud on our Windows computer, and we can start using iCloud from our Windows machine.